Hi, today in this video I will show you how to solve an error called GCC is not recognized as internal or external command. To solve this issue, first make sure GCC or C++ compiler is installed in your system. Step 1. Find the path of GCC or C++ folder. Here are list of common paths. For me, GCC or C++ is installed inside drive C M64 folder. As you can see, here is the GCC binary folder. Copy the path of this folder. Step 2. Search env and click on the app appears. Here click on edit variable, then click on path, and again click on edit. Here click on new and paste the copied path. Then click on OK twice and save this setting. Your issue is resolved now. As you can see, GCC is running.